This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com for June 6th, 2019. I want to take a look here at the EWZ, the ETF that tracks the Brazilian market, the Bovespa. Now we are going to take a few minutes here. It's going to be a quick video. I am going to draw a couple of lines. We are seeing the market right now with the highs for the week. Let's call it at around the high for the week at about 43, give or take. So just, no, excuse me, 42.5, close to the highs of the week. I want to show you why around here there's going to be some challenge until the market can clear the following two lines. Line number one is a simple backtest line, as such. I'll do it like that. And this line was a line connecting previous lows. Here, close to those double bottom lows there, and all these lows, this low here. And then of course at some point we break below that level for movement lower, break below the level again for another swing trade lower. And here we tagged this about 2 days ago. We were rejected. There's another line also to consider, which is a previous break line, and I can even go back to this drop here. This period corresponds with the RSI breaking down here. We take that information and draw our uniformity resistance line. There should be more about this method in the description of this video. Extend this line, and we can see it gives us some interesting ways of looking at this, which is a period where the market moved above the red line for a nice entry here at the beginning of 2019. We subsequently break below it. In February, we come off the highs of the year. We came close to that line here for these highs, and over the last couple of days we've hit that line, and so far we've seen resistance. So it's very simple here. We can see that the market is giving us a message that as long as we are trading below the two lines, we should anticipate lower prices because of the two lines offering resistance. If the Brazilian market is to clear this 42.5 price highs for the week, then we need to see movement above the two lines of resistance. Now, one other observation is that where these two lines are showing resistance, so happens to be conveniently around the RSI level of 61.8. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.